Hey everyone, so I want to come on real quick and do a review on this new multifunctional 4-in-1 ottoman I just got on, and you guys, this thing is absolutely incredible and I can't wait to tell you all about it. So the coolest thing about this ottoman, you guys, is not only can it be an ottoman, it can be a small table, a footrest, and it can be turned into a guest sofa. So in 5 easy steps, I want to show you how fun and easy it is to do. As you guys can see, that was super easy to do. Like I said, 5 easy steps and you have a guest bed. This can be a 500-pound max capacity, so you don't have to worry about having this bending or breaking while your guests are sleeping. An iron tube mesh design. So this is going to be super sturdy. The bedding part is absolutely comfortable, you guys. It's got that thick mattress on it, so it's easy to fold, but you can sleep so comfortably on this. So not only is the ottoman going to have a beautiful microfiber slipcover, it's going to come with a microfiber suede slipcover as well. So these are going to be interchangeable, easy to put on as you saw, and you can machine wash them. So the fact that you can take them off that easy, if you get any stains on them, anything like that, stick them in the wash and you're good to go. Another thing they thought about is the corners. Everything's gonna be nicely rounded, and like I said, the mattress just covers everything, so you're not gonna run into it, hurt yourself in the middle of the night. I wanna show you guys how easy it is to put back into an ottoman. Learn something in this video, go get yourselves your own 4-in-1 multifunctional ottoman. You guys, as you saw, that was super cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.